Beautifully maintained and updated ranch-style end-unit condo with one-car garage is inviting from the minute you arrive. Open floor plan with a valuated ceiling in the living room, oversized kitchen with plenty of cabinets and gas fireplace will lead you down the hall to 2 spacious bedrooms. Each bedroom has a private ensuite bathroom with tile flooring and master bathroom. The backyard is level, private and enjoyable for relaxation after a long day. Beautiful Leyland Cypress Trees border property adding great privacy. Updates in this beautiful condo include LVP flooring in living room, kitchen and hallway, fresh paint, new kitchen/bath faucets and cabinet hardware, newer HVAC heat pump, gas, hot water heater, new blown attic insulation, and more. Easy access to shopping and downtown.